A load of boxes.
Yes, it came in like all in parts in about 24 boxes.
Which does make it a bit more tricky when you're putting it together, not having taken it apart in the first place.
Came from a big manor house up north, basically, and they've been in the same family since the 1870s.
This one had quite a lot of crystal on it, which obviously all had to be washed and polished. And polishing is really difficult because you've got to get off all the residue, finger marks, the whole thing. Otherwise it will quickly get dirty again. So I use the hairdryer to dry it all off, and then I can polish it properly, because if you dry something that's got bits of wet here and there, you'll just get smear. So I dry it off and then I can polish it. I try and replace as many pins as possible. Obviously I can't replace them all, or I'd be there for years re-pinning it all, but as many as I feel necessary, especially where it hangs onto the chandelier.
Over the years, people have obviously taken it down a long time ago and not necessarily taken a picture of how it goes back together, and may put it back in a different order. So between me and Margaret, we have a look at it and decide that quite often they put it back the wrong way, so we make sure we put it back to how sweet and how it would have been originally. Basically, with the pack testing, well, obviously once all the arms are rewired before they're packed away again, I do run-through tests on every single one to make sure they're all working fine.
I have to do a dress rehearsal basically to make sure it all looks right. Sometimes the strings have become uneven and you have to put them up. And sometimes I look at it and I think, that's not right, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I know how it should look and I want it to look the best it possibly can.
I've been here 23 years.
28.
I've been together for over 23 years now.
So, yeah, so there's 50 plus years of experience between the two of us. So we know what we're doing.
I often say to the people I'm installing it for, if you lie on your back underneath and look up, that's when you really get the proper structure and the design of the chandelier and the beauty of it. And when we finally installed it, the customer was very, very pleased. Their family grew up there and continue on and on.